Hello and welcome to this Trinity use case introduction. In this video, we will introduce the use case production flow simulation supervision. And this use case has been developed by the Arctic University of Norway. The Arctic University of Norway is a university that contributes to knowledge-based development at the regional, national, and international level. It is the third largest university in Norway and the northernmost university in the world. My name is Haldor and I'm working as a researcher for the Arctic University of Norway, and I will be presenting this use case. From this use case, we'll showcase how to create a digital copy of a production environment and how to connect machines together for machine-to-machine communication, as well as introduce new methods for robot control and programming using virtual reality and a browser. When it comes to requirements, it depends on what module is used. However, the general recommendation is to have some general programming experience. Additionally, some experience with simulation software, such as Visual Component, is also beneficial for these lectures. In the next video, we will present the benefits of the use case, where it can be applied and used, and what investments are required. Thank you for watching this Trinity introduction video.